What's your problem?
Okay, so today I'm working on this Giulietta. I'm basically doing an oil change, spark plugs change, nothing very crazy, pretty basic stuff. But what I wanted to explain today and to show you is actually these two sensors. I already unplugged this one, so this one and this one. Actually, I call it sensors, but it's hydraulic valves that control actually the cam position. So this one is the exhaust one, obviously on the exhaust side. This one is the intake one here. So over the time, it might be that there is a bit of dirt here that might actually affect the good functioning of these two solenoid valves. And I think, I mean, I have an issue to tell you. The reason why I'm doing this is I have the feeling sometimes that my exhaust valves do not open on time, and I have, of course, because of this, some misfire and other issues, and sometimes even lack of power, and sometimes too much power. I mean, I don't know exactly what happens to this engine. It works perfectly fine, sometimes very bad, sometimes normal, most of the time normal, and sometimes I have the feeling I'm driving a Ferrari, because it's just crazy the way it's taking the revs. So let's unplug this and see how it looks like, and if we can clean it up, and then we will see later if it improves. I will give you feedback about this later. Okay, I hope the camera will hold here. I try to place it in a way that you can see what I'm doing. So okay, it was not that tight. So this is a 4mm hexagonal wrench. Here we go. And now let's see if that thing is accepting to move somehow. The engine is still very warm, so it's not that easy. Maybe I will use by hand. It's impossible, man. So let's see if I can do something with a screwdriver. I'll stop the camera here because I have to go to take a screwdriver. Okay, so I managed to remove it. I'm trying to film it as well, as good as I can, but yeah, it doesn't look so bad. As you can see, there is a kind of a metallic filter here. Maybe it's still worth it to clean it, and we will see what happens. Okay, so I gave it a clean. I will feed it back in. Inside doesn't seem to be too dirty. No, it's okay. I'm just gonna put a bit of air here just to clean it. Yeah, that's fine. So let's put it back. Very easy. Taking it out was a bit tricky because there is an O-ring here that requires a bit of strength to take out, but here you see it's in. Okay, now let's repeat this. I'm not sure if you see anything of whether, yeah, I think it's fine. Sorry, but when the cameraman is also the mechanic, the video quality is slightly different. Okay, same now with the intake one. Let's see if I'm a bit more lucky than with the other one removing it. I'm not sure you see. Let me place the cam in a different way. There we go. That seems to be good. Okay, let's see if I can remove it. This one was easier. Okay, I will just unplug it from here. Okay, good. And here. That one is a bit dirtier. Okay. Okay, I've cleaned again the inside. I will clean the solenoid valve and I will refit it like before. I'm not replacing the O-ring because it looks like it's good. If I see there is any leak at a later stage, I can always change it. Now I know exactly how this works, so it shouldn't be a big issue. Okay, it's done. Okay. Okay, that's good. Well, job is done. Let's not forget this one, otherwise I have a problem. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm also gonna clean this. It's always good as well. And I'm gonna put a bit of contact spray, and I will do the same with the other one. So a bit of contact spray, very little. No need to put too much. That already makes a big difference. And I will do the same here. Maybe not so interesting at this stage to watch anymore for you, but I mean, I don't want to stop every time the cam, otherwise I waste too much time. Okay, bit of contact spray. Good. We fit it back, clip, and that's done. Okay, so now I will go back to the initial job, which was actually replacing the sparks and changing the oil, and that's it. So for today, no more information. Thanks for watching, and I will keep you updated if there is any improvement.